Hi, this is Raulh of God Cured Me. Lately, I've been getting a lot of emails from people asking me how to relieve constipation without using over-the-counter laxatives. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 different home remedies to relieve constipation. Remember Michelle Thomas? She played Myra on the show Family Matters as Urkel's other love interest. She also played Theo's girlfriend Justine on The Cosby Show. She died in 1998 at 30 years old of stomach cancer. I guarantee you the cause was because she was suffering from constipation. Remember Eartha Kitt? She played the first black Catwoman and also played Lady Eloise in the movie Boomerang with Eddie Murphy. She died in 2008 at 81 years old of colon cancer. I guarantee you the cause was because she was suffering from constipation. And just recently, Chadwick Boseman, who was famously known for playing the character the Black Panther, he just recently died August 28, 2020 at 43 years old of colon cancer. I guarantee you the cause was because he was suffering from constipation. Constipation is a serious illness and can lead to colon cancer no matter how old you are. So we need to get your colon moving naturally as soon as possible. So for those of y'all who do not know, using over-the-counter laxatives can cause your digestive system to never work again correctly on its own. So we don't want that to happen. About 42 million people suffer from constipation, and constipation can cause serious illnesses like acne, eczema, and it can also cause colon cancer. So for those of y'all who do not want to use over-the-counter laxatives, this video is for you. First, let's cover the simple things that most people with constipation don't do on the regular. Number 1, first, let's make sure that you are drinking plenty of water per day. Also, eating foods with fiber is very important. Fruits and vegetables are the food of choice. If you don't have it already, you can go to my website and you can get the free food list. I put the link in the description box below. Number 2, lift your feet using a step stool, or you can use books with your knees above the hip when using the bathroom to help relieve bowel movements. Number 3, you ever hear the saying, an apple a day helps keep the doctor away? That's because apples help clean the colon. Try eating an apple at the end of your day. I suggest Gala or Fuji apples. Number 4, do some type of yoga. People who sit a lot may have the most constipation because when you're not moving, your body slows in every form, including your digestive system. Number 5, reduce your stress. There are so many different things that stress us these days. Find out what things are stressing you and try to avoid them. That includes certain people too. Number 6, when you have to go, go. Do not wait. If you wait too long, that could be aiding in your constipation. And number 7, don't eat heavy meals late at night. When you sleep, your digestive system slows down, and that could help aid in your constipation. Now, let's get into some home remedies. Now, first, I'm going to give you 2 quick relief remedies. Quick relief number 1. Ingredients you'll need: fennel seeds, castor oil, 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Boil a cup of water, add fennel seeds to the water. Let it sit for 1 minute, then strain it into a cup. Add 1 teaspoon of castor oil to the fennel water while it's still hot. Stir it well. Add a 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. Stir it well. This will flush out the colon and remove toxins from your colon walls. Drink it in the morning after drinking a glass of water. It's best to drink on your day off and when you have nowhere to go. You may have a bowel movement within an hour after drinking. If you don't have a movement after the first day, you can drink it again the next day. However, only do this 1 time a week. Quick relief remedy number 2. Ingredients you'll need: 4 prunes and a half medium-sized beet. Pour fresh clean water over the prunes so they are submerged, and soak the prunes overnight. Now take a medium beet, peel the outer layer of the beet, and cut it into small pieces. Add the soaked prunes and the beet pieces to a blender or a NutriBullet and run on high for about 1 minute. You will want to drink this immediately. If not, it may harden and settle. It's best to drink this on an empty stomach and on your day off when you have nowhere to go to see how your body reacts. It may cause a bowel movement within 1 hour after drinking it. Remedy number 3. Ingredients you'll need: 4 prunes and castor oil. Place 4 prunes in a bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of castor oil. They both have a natural laxative effect. I don't recommend store-bought prune juice because it might be full of sugar. Soak in a 1/4 cup of water for about 20 minutes. Now mash the prunes well. You can also use a blender or a NutriBullet to speed up the process. Eat 1 teaspoon every evening with warm spring water to help with bowel movements in the morning. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Remedy number 4. Ingredients you'll need: ginger and mint leaves. Grate a thumb amount of ginger. Ginger is effective for nausea, including seasickness, helps with joint pain and stiffness, may lower blood sugar levels, help avoid heart disease, and may lower cholesterol levels. Now tear some mint leaves. It's important to tear them so they release into the water quickly. Mint leaves are rich in nutrients, may improve irritable bowel syndrome, and soothe the intestines. Now, put them in boiling water. Boil in the water for approximately 10 minutes. Strain it and drink 2 to 3 times a day to help relieve your constipation. Remedy number 5. Ingredients you'll need: aloe vera gel. You want to drink aloe vera gel, not the juice, for the full benefit. The gel is the entire aloe leaf, not just the juice squeezed from it. Drink 2 ounces in the morning and 2 ounces in the evening. Aloe vera gel is loaded with vitamins and minerals. Not only does it help with digestion, it flushes out toxins from the body. It helps treat anemia, balances hormonal problems, excellent for skin, and it boosts the immune system. I suggest going to your local food store, or I put a link in the description box below for the brand that I use. Remedy number 6. Ingredients you'll need: apple cider vinegar. I use Bragg's with the mother. Put 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 4-ounce glass of water and drink it in the evening to help with your constipation. Apple cider vinegar helps kill harmful bacteria, helps lower blood sugar levels, helps manage diabetes, may help in weight loss, and boost skin health. Remedy number 7. Ingredients you'll need: chia seeds. Soak a teaspoon of chia seeds per 8-ounce glass of water for 20 minutes and drink during the day. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants and are high in fiber and protein. So I hope this helps with your constipation problem. Thanks for watching. My name is Raulh. So if you found this information to be helpful, give me a thumbs up and like and share this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell for future notifications of when I post a new video. I post a new video every week. You can follow me on all social media at God Cured Me. Also, for a free list of foods that you should eat for nutritional value, or if you want to jump straight into learning how to heal yourself or virtually any disease God's way, visit my website at godcuredme.com. All the links are in the description box below. And as always, my name is Raulh. I won't just pray for you. I'll feed you knowledge. May your health be blessed through your works. Hope to see you soon.